Hi everyone, let's look at this question on logarithms. We are asked to find the x coordinates where y equals to 4 e to the minus x meets the curve y equals to 5 minus e to the x. Okay, so the point where the two curves will meet, the x and y values will be the same. And since we have an expression for y over here for both of these curves, we can now equate them together. So we can say that 4 e to the minus x is equals to 5 minus e to the x. Okay, now with that we can apply our indices rule to bring e to the x as the denominator. Okay, and now I can cross multiply, so I'll have 4 e to the x bracket 5 minus e to the x. Okay, and let me multiply it in, so I'll get 5 e to the x minus e to the x squared. Okay, so now let me bring all the terms over to the left hand side. So I'll get e to the x square minus 5 e to the x plus 4 equals to 0. Now if you look at this expression, you can see that it resembles very much a quadratic expression. Alright, and we can see that a bit more clearly when we say let, for example, v equals to e to the x. So what you will see now, okay, you will see that I can now represent the expression as v squared minus 5v plus 4 equals to 0. So this is a standard quadratic expression which you can factorize, and you will get v minus 1 and v minus 4 equals to 0. So you have two solutions here, v equals to 1 and v equals to 4. Now the next step is to go back to our substitution here. So e to the x equals to 1 and e to the x here equals to 4. So to solve for x, we can take the natural log on both sides. Okay, so I'll get x ln e equals to ln 1. Okay, so for this expression, ln 1 is 0, so x will be equals to 0. Similarly here, I can do the same thing, ln x equals to ln 4. So x ln e equals to ln 4. Natural log of e is actually 1, so x is equals to ln 4. Okay, so these are the two solutions. So the x coordinates where both these curves meet when x equals to 0 and when x equals to ln 4. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.